Alright guys, so what we have today, as well as the first robot, now we have the dog walking bot, which we're gonna assemble, and I've got the set of small screwdrivers, so let's open it up and let's work on it. Otwieramy, no nie? Zobaczmy jakie tam części są. Będzie tak, jak do tego. No, trzeba ściągnąć kowieczko do góry. Elegancko, no ciągnę. Super. Okay, I think it's more complex than the Panda. Troszkę bardziej skomplikowane niż Panda. Okay, installing the final gear. Alright guys, let's place the batteries in. Alright guys, so the bot is ready. Let's see how it walks. This is the walking bot by Clementoni. And let me show you the 360 first. So that's how it looks. There's a wire and a switch at the back. And the gears. And now let's power it up and see how it walks. Chcecie zobaczyć, jak chodzi piesek? A, uwaga. So it's really walking, as you guys can see. I must say this is quite a cool toy. All right. I think for a kid interested in engineering, in dynamics, motion dynamics, this is quite cool. For the future of robotics, obviously.